Hi, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sailandski, and this cold weather got us thinking, maybe we should give you guys another week to get those Barrel Boss videos in. And we thought, what the heck, why not? So, you guys are going to get one more week to film and submit your videos into the 2020 Barrel Boss Virtual Wakesurf Contest. This weekend is supposed to be beautiful. It's Halloween, so there are a lot of reasons to get out on the water with your friends and shred. So, speaking of the contest, we've gotten some questions over the last few weeks that I want to address for you guys now. First, this does not have to be a new video. I would be willing to bet that most of you have gotten a few rides on camera over the summer, so go back through your videos, pull out the best 1 minute of unedited writing, and send it in to us. If you're gonna be out this weekend anyway, why not throw on a costume and enter our interpretive division? Every registered writer will be getting a swag bag that includes a t-shirt from Nautique, stickers, samples from Hula Boat Care, and all kinds of goodies from our sponsors, including Nautique, who's actually going to stuff a few extra Nautique gift cards into random bags. So you're definitely going to want to come pick up those swag bags. Every registered writer gets one, and registration is free, so there's really nothing to lose here. We do want to take a second and thank our sponsors. Nautique, of course, has been awesome. Hyperlight and Ronix coming in big as always. Hula Boat Care, Deckhands Boat Mobile Detailing, Surf Austin, Sundancer Grill, and Tune Up Manly Salon have all come in to make Barrel Boss 2020 an awesome event for everybody. So, new deadline for Barrel Boss is November 7th, and we will be announcing the winners on November 14th. So, get out there this week and get your videos in. As always, this is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.